Hi, this is Ben Squires with Alcoa Wheels Accessory Products. We've got a drive wheel here today, and we're going to show you how to install our multi-piece hub cover system. We have two types of systems available. One if you have 4 or more stud threads available to you. The other if you have 4 or less. So both systems will work regardless of the amount of stud thread that you have available to you. So we're going to use the screw-on system for this configuration because we have 4 or more stud threads available. The first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we've properly cleaned the studs before applying the system. So we've confirmed that we have 4 or more threads available. We're using part number 77185, which means we've got the screw-on nut covers because again we have 4 or more threads available. And then we've got our rear or drive axle cover to apply. So once we're ready, we'll fit the axle cover around those lug nuts, and the axle cover design is scalloped, so it should sit between them and flush with the wheel. That's important. Once you have that flush with the wheel, you're then going to apply the nut covers, and you're also going to make sure that they're sitting flush with the wheel, so the wheel is secure. Remember, we've checked that we have the right amount of studs available to secure the system. And then you're just going to go all the way around, ensuring that you have enough turns in there to sit flush with the wheel so that the system is securely installed. And there you go. You've got your multi-piece hub cover system installed. You're ready to go and look your best out on the road. For more information, visit alcoawheels.com. Thanks.